Are you looking for some sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick, all for free with just a couple applications, and that you can't find in the Amazon App Store? We're going to type in 370-178 and hit go. Check out this, follow along. I'm Lee, here to help you get the best out of your Amazon Fire TV stick. First thing we need to do, so slide way over to the settings, find icon, come down, and under search, type in downloader, D-O-W, and downloader comes right up here. We can just select it. Downloader gives us the ability to install applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. So here's downloader, the big orange icon. Here, it already says I own it. You may not, so it may say get it, so just get it. Download it, install it onto your device. And guys, once this is installing, please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Now before we open the app, use the little home button on our remote and come all the way over here to the settings icon, because we need to change one option in downloader to make all this magic happen. Or here we'll come down to My Fire TV, and here I have developer options listed. You may not, and don't worry, that is okay. If you do not, click on About with your center button on your remote, and then here I have Fire TV stick, or if it says 4K or whatnot, have that highlighted. Just use your remote, your select button, click it about 7 to 10 times. And here it says, no need, you're already a developer, or maybe it says, congratulations, you are now a developer. Now we can go back to our settings option, come down to developer options, and click on developer options. Now here, we can have ADB debugging on or off. It doesn't really do anything for what we're going to do today. I like to keep it on because I do some extra testing. So under install unknown apps, highlight it and come down and look for downloader. And one click and it says it's on. Now if you have an older menu or an older device, it may just have it on or off right here or in the next thing, where you don't have to find the application. It just automatically does it for all applications. Let's head to the home screen, and now let's find downloader. Downloader will be here in our apps and games icon, this 3 squares plus sign image. And the last app that you ever download ends up way down here at the very end. So you can just hit actually backwards and go reverse and find downloader. And here we have downloader highlighted. So use the 3-line button on our remote, and we can move it to the front. And this places downloader at the front of our home screen's shortcuts menu. So if we click home, downloader is now up front or center, because this is going to be our new app store, folks. This is what we are going to be able to use in order to download apps that are not available on the app store. Please be mindful, some of these apps, who knows where they'll take you. So remember to secure your online privacy. Easiest way to do that, come down here into the search, type in IPv for IP Vanish. Use the link in the description below to get yourself a great discount. Log in with your credentials. Here we're gonna install it, get it. If you don't already own it, download it, install it. You'll get a password and a login. Use your email, all for the price of about a cup of coffee a month, like $2 a month to secure your online activity. Now let's go to the home screen, find your applications. We can log into IP Vanish and get everything up to par for your Fire Stick. Now if you're looking for live sports, check this out. Slide over and open up Downloader. Now here, Yes, allow downloaders to access media and files on our device. So plus allow. And then a little welcome screen, so we can click OK. And here right now, the go button's highlighted, so hit up. And here we have a quick shortcut to enter to get to our website for these awesome applications for movies, for TV shows, for live TV, for sports. And here we're going to type in at the very top, we're going to type in 370 178 and hit go. Now there is a 5-second redirect here to get to the ledbytheunknown.com downloads page for all these great applications for movies, TV shows, live TV, and of course, sports. And once the screen's loaded, we can just hit our 3-line button on our remote, and we can add this current page to our favorites. And then we can save it. And then over here, anytime you come in, just hit the favorites button and it'll come right up. Here's a little pop-up. Get out your phone, take a shot of this QR code, get a great discount on IPVanish. So here, we have a section of some how-tos, some tutorials, some reviews of these applications, and of course, the apps themselves. When we head down, sports. We've already installed this app. It's a great app, does have live TV for sports. And then there's another one on fire, big brother to the stream. And we can come down, click on the latest. You guys remember, each of these downloads, there is a video there to learn what the app's all about. Hit the installation file, click done, delete the application, confirm it, and we're good to go. And our top movies, here's our top movies and TV shows, best stuff for 2025. So click the first one, HD here. And head on down to where you get the download section and click on it. A small little application, movies and TV shows all in one place. It's amazing. A huge library of content. And then it doesn't require any special access, but down on the bottom right, click install. Once it's installed, folks, we're just going to hit, once it's installed, we're just going to hit done, as we need to delete the installation file. We no longer need it on our device, so it's gone. So now if you hit back once, we can go to the next one. On stream, same thing, movies, TV shows, library's not as big, but it works well. And again, we can come down and push install. And then once it's installed, click done. Delete the installation file. Yes, we want to delete it. We're good to go. Now, if we're looking for live TV, head down a little further. And we have a couple of the best live TV streaming applications for you. We got one that's on fire. Big brother, little sister to the sports version. Includes all the sports stuff. So here we can come down, new updated version. Click install. Application's installed. We can come down, hit done. delete the installation file. You probably get my drift now. Back out one more. And here we got LiveNet, another very large library for live TV, multiple languages, whatever you're looking for, you can probably find it. And here we do Android devices or Amazon devices. Bottom right, install. We'll hit done. Delete, delete. So, we have 2 apps for movies and TV shows, 2 apps for live TV. Let's keep going down. Please check out all the other applications in there. Please let me know if any of them actually have a problem downloading. Sometimes they get updated and I don't catch wind of it. So it helps out a lot. Let's go back to the home screen. Now here in the home screen, we're gonna head back to the 3 squares plus sign, where all our latest applications are located. So here we go, pretty much the bottom row and a little bit. So we can always find like HD, 3-line button on a remote, move it to the front, and let's do some, let's talk about sports, move it to the front, and of course, I'm not going to move this one to the front, but I'll keep it near the end here. So maybe somewhere like that. All right. So let's log in to IPVanish and see what it's all about. Now, if you're a new user, you can create an account through this way. I suggest using your phone or a computer. It's much easier. And then get your email and password, type it in. Now guys, after you've logged into your application, this is what pops up. Your current location, and we have the ability to transport our online activity wherever you want. We can just automatically connect. And it does request connection, say okay. And now it's connected me in a different location. Or we can add some shortcuts. So you can come down to the little map icon there, click on it, and it gives us a bunch of different places. So we can go countries, we can go cities. So say if there's something that I want to watch in Florida, because I'm not a fan. I'm Canadian, not a fan, sorry, fans. But so where can we go in Florida? Let's see if we can find Miami. Miami. Now, we click on Miami. We can favorite Miami. And now if there's a feed coming from Miami, I have a direct link to it. All right. And now Miami's up on my favorites and I can click on it. Let's connect to Miami. Boom, let's go to the beach and enjoy it, right? Perfect. Now we're connected to Miami. Now, if you have, say, Netflix, and you don't want to have Netflix running through Miami, no problem. You can come down here, click on the little settings icon, and we can turn on split tunneling, which is already on. We can turn it on, and then we can manage the applications that we don't want to run through the VPN. And it'll bring up all the applications here that we have. So, user apps, I guess. So, come down and be like, Netflix, I do not want you running through Miami. Thank you. Just stay home for me. My kids won't go crazy because there's something different on Netflix. And you can do the same with any of the other applications. You can enable them, disable them, however you feel free. We can come out back one more, and we auto connect on startup. So anytime you turn on your device, boom, VPN's connected. Auto connect on launch of IPVanish. So as soon as you turn on IPVanish, boom, connected. And there's a bunch of other things. If IPVanish doesn't actually work for some reason, it'll kill all your action through the internet without any kind of incident. So guys, secure your online activity. Get yourself a bunch of awesome applications that you didn't know that could go on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Movies, TV shows, live TV, sports. What else can you ask for? Applications. These are the prime ones that you'll need for tonight, tomorrow night, and the rest of the year. Enjoy. Peace. Happy streaming.